Hello, my friends, it's Dani, and I am popping in on a Monday because I have a very special announcement. My course, The Don't Diet, is finally open for enrollment. As many of you know, this is my 6-week, step-by-step mind-body approach to kind, sustainable weight loss for women and men who want to stop beating themselves up and are ready to love their bodies, enjoy their food, and lose weight for the last time. This is a 6-week course, and each week you'll have access to pre-recorded videos with the lesson of the week, and you will also have worksheets and exercises to help support what you were learning in those videos. I'm also going to have a community page so we can all connect and communicate with each other throughout the class. You can ask your questions, share your thoughts, struggles, wins, aha moments, and of course, your recipes. And then once a week, I'm going to do a live Zoom call. Okay, so this is a time where you can bring your questions live to the call and I will answer them for you. And I will also pull a couple people on throughout the call to do a little bit of live coaching because I find that really helps to take the materials a little bit deeper. So this is something I've been wanting to do for years. These are the tools that helped me transform my relationship with food and body so I could finally reach my weight loss goals in a very kind, sustainable way that worked for me and my body and my lifestyle. And I'm just super excited to share them. And I just want to say, for any of my people out there who are also working on intuitive eating and learning how to honor their body, you can practice intuitive eating and want to lose weight at the same time. I know there's a lot of stigma around this and I get a lot of questions because, as you know, I've done a lot of work here on the channel around intuitive eating. And a lot of people are curious, like, well, how can you talk about intuitive eating and then promote a weight loss class? And my answer to that is because that was my personal story. I wanted to lose weight and I wanted to do it in a way that worked for me because I had tried all the gimmicks and all of the things. And intuitive eating and learning how to tap into my body and how to honor my hunger and how to listen to my feelings and my emotions, that was a huge part of the journey for me. But I will say it was a part of my weight loss journey. So if that is something that you consider or think about, I'm just sharing my personal story. It may resonate with some of you and it may not resonate with others, but the information is on the table. So make sure if this is something you're interested in, you check out thedon'tdiet.com. I have a link for you down in the description box below. If you have any additional questions, of course, put them down in the comments and I'm more than happy to answer them. And if this is something that you're thinking about doing, I hope to see you inside. I cannot wait to get started. And otherwise, I will see you back here on Friday with a brand new video. Okay, guys, I will see you soon. Cheers.